back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the Jeffree Star Dawson Conspiracy unboxing. And I'm so excited. Just got my nails done today. I love them. And my toes. So I ordered this right when it came out. I was in my study block at school. And I was so eager to get it. And I actually got it right when it came out. And I got it just a week after, and now it's a week after I got it. I just haven't had the time to open it, and I've been like not really motivated to film, but now I am. I'm super excited, and got this with my own money. I am so excited. And yesterday was Jeffree Star's birthday. Happy birthday. So excited. And also, I think I'm gonna get the Jaclyn Hill highlighter palette. I love Jaclyn Hill. I got it off Morphe. Guys, so I got it off Morphe's website because I thought I could use like code Jeffree for 10% off. Because me, a broke student, didn't want to spend the whole $52, but the code did not work and I had to pay shipping. So, yep, that's what happened. And I had to wait a little bit. I was having trouble. Oh, I wish I got like that awesome packaging. I think you only got that if you ordered it from Jeffree Star. And this was $52. I watched the whole series. Oh my god, you don't know how excited I am. Is this? Oh, but they even show the ingredients. I'm so excited. You don't even know. I'm gonna do swatches. Oh my god. I love the packaging so much. I don't want to like. Oh, look at this. So I haven't filmed this before. Today is the 16th and it came the 7th. I'm sorry, I just haven't been best mentally. Oh my god. Look how gorgeous. Look at the mirror. Look at it has the logos. Oh my god, look at Illuminati. I love Trisha. The shade. I don't like her personally. Ugh, mine's messy. Like at the top, I don't know if you can see it. See? And also near food videos, it's kind of messy. Huh, but I'm going. See, the shadows are like stuck up here. It's probably because of the in the mail. Look. Wow, good quality mirror. Ugh, I started Accutane the other day. Definitely need it. Oh my god, I love it. So, going to do some swatches. Be right back. I hope this angle was good, but yay. I'm gonna use my arm. So I'm gonna start off with the top row, which is very good, natural. You could do any natural look without the first row, he said. First one, ranch. Wow. See, I don't know how to do swatches. Like, do you clean your finger? Okay, ranch. My pills. It's not really pink. pigmented. I mean, it is. Maybe I'm swatching wrong. Tanacon. See, that's a good one. I would definitely use that for the crease. Diet root beer. Ooh, that's a good one. I'm excited for this one. Just a theory. Definitely use that one a lot. Oof. It's a good one. I also did hear that My Pills wasn't as pigmented. And spiralizing. Ooh, I love this one. Good smoky eye. Oh! So that's the first row. Definitely My Pills needs a little more pigment. Second row is gorgeous. So colorful colors. Now, Conspiracy. I think that's a nice color for St. Patrick's Day. It's like a sparkly green. Pigment. I love that color. Pigment is definitely pigmented. Food videos. Now that's a color I don't think I would ever use. Twisha. That's my favorite. Ugh, I love pink. That's a good color. Pigmented. So I didn't film any Halloween videos. Didn't really go out. I just stayed home with my friend, which was really fun. And haven't been having the best couple of months. So yeah. Cheese dust. I love that color. Nice. Flaming hot. Ooh. That's a nice. That looks like flaming hot Cheetos. Now I'm seeing this, oh my god, that color with Conspiracy, good Halloween. So this is the first and second row. Now, I'll do the third row here. Now I love this color. What's the T? That's like the color of my phone case. So I'm gonna put it right here. No, that was not a good. Kind of chalky. Diet Cola. Now we've seen the color like this. I love that color. Not a fact. Ugh, that's my favorite color. It's like the color of my nails. Love that color. It's kind of streaky. I am not, oh my god, my hand is all messy. I am not a professional, obviously. Sleep paralysis. Here, I'll do it for my thumb. Ooh, that's a good one. I love the, oh my god, the stamps. Illuminati. Oh, that was a really good one. And then, last but not least, my rides here. That looks like a Pokemon ball. Ooh, that's a black. That's nice. So this is the swatches. Love it. So, oh my god. I love this palette so much. I haven't been doing makeup a lot because I've been too lazy in the morning. But yes, gonna pack it on nicely. Maybe one of these days I'll do a makeup collection. What's in my makeup collection videos? Let me know if you want me to. But let's see how easily this comes off. Just using my Neutrogena remover. Well, that's pretty. Yeah, definitely that flaming hot Cheetos. They like sold out real fast. I was so happy I got it fast. I was in all these websites. I was on my phone and on the Chromebook. And I had my mom. I wrote my credit card information down. I was determined and I'm so happy I got it. And I'm sorry this video is late, but you know what? Who gives a fuck? Oh, something's not coming off. sensitive skin. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Oh my god, ignore my ugly face. But I love you guys so much. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, but you know, life sucks right now, but I gotta push through it.